Hello guys, my name is Ralph Johnston. Today we're going to do another DIY project. It involves a GoPro, a kitchen timer, an adhesive mount for a GoPro, a tripod, quick release plate, a drill, and drill bits. So I'm going to go ahead and come to like a top view of my thing here so I can show you what I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and get to that now. Alright, what you need here, like I said, kitchen timer. This came from IKEA right here. That came from IKEA. I have a drill. I'm going to be drilling into that. A full set of bits right there. GoPro is mainly for this whole setup that I'm doing. A adhesive mount and a quick release plate right here. So I have all that stuff right there. Go ahead and take off the top of this just like that. Pull. You're done. Straight off. It comes off. And then you're left with the insides of this and that, which pretty much, just says, alright, it has a little thing right in there so them two can't get mixed. I'm going to go ahead and actually flip this entire thing upside down. So I'm going to put the adhesive mount on the bottom. I know a lot of people are going to be like, what? Why? And I'm wanting to make sure that it's at the 0 mark right here. So I'm just going to go kind of eyeball it right there and put it on the bottom just like that. It's an adhesive mount. Just make sure it sticks really well. And then you have that part and that's taken care of. Alright, so let's go ahead and take care of this now. And I'm going to match up my screw right here, which is a 1/4-20, I know that, with the right drill bit, which I think is the 1/4 inch drill bit. That looks a little too big, so we're going to go ahead and try the 7/32 drill bit. Okay? And that looks about right. So we're going to go ahead and drill into here, but not all the way. So let me set up the drill real quick and I'll get right back to you. Alright, as you see, I got the drill bit the drill right here. I got the thing right here that I'm going to be drilling into. I'm not going to go all the way down on this and everything for the simple reason I don't want to ruin too much of it. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and drill this real quick and let's get to it. Nope. There we go. Probably went far enough. Go ahead, hit my reverse, and take her out. Oh, nope. That's not my reverse. Where's my reverse on this thing? Right here. I actually went all the way through. Probably not a good idea because I did mess up the stuff inside. But, oh well, we're trying this, and it's a DIY to try for fun. So let's go ahead and try this. Alright. We're going to go ahead and put on my tripod quick release plate with a Allen wrench, and it does fit tightly already. The screw, because I made it a little bit smaller than the hole on purpose. So, and then there you go. It's not going to tighten up all the way because I did go all the way through. So now we're going to put this on the bottom. Hopefully be able to line it up again. Maybe not. Let's see. Yeah, because I did go all the way through, it's kind of fucked up inside there. Excuse my language. Kind of messed up a little bit. Let's see. How can we fix that? Let's see. That's got to go straight across. I didn't mean to go this far the way in and everything, so let's just try and get it on as best we can. Alright, when last thing comes in handy, you grab the glue. Got some Gorilla Glue right here. So we're going to go ahead, put a dab of this Gorilla Glue onto these little pieces inside here. If I can get the glue out. There, it's finally coming out. Finally. Just get it all right there, all nice and good and gooey. Okay. Probably should take out your adapter plate for your tripod, you know, your quick release part, so therefore that don't get messed up. Just go ahead and drop that out, and then line up your 0 and your hole right there, and just kind of push it together to where it'll match up, hopefully, unless mine's twisted already, which it is. You gotta find out exactly where it's at. There. Okay. So come on. Alright, when in doubt, try it the other way. Whip off your adapter plate. Put a damn hole down here. Go the right way first. Okay. Whip off, like I said, whip off your adapter plate, put a hole in here. Okay, put your adapter plate on top. Point the GoPro towards the holes. Put your tripod thing down here. And tighten that down. It's not going to tighten all the way. I mean, it'll just go to where it won't move. Then figure out a way to do this now. What is wrong with this thing now? And just give it a good tap. And they still don't go in. I had it on backwards, that's why. Okay. So my actual thing was backwards. I don't know why it's backwards, but it should fit like that then too. Huh. Anyways, mine fits great right there. So then therefore I have my thing, turn it. It rings, lets me know when it's done. Now all we gotta do is go check it out, see how well I like it and everything. So hopefully it'll work the way I want it to work. Probably not, because I kind of made some mistakes. But anyways, that's what DIYs are all about. So anyways, let's go try it now.